Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a heavy motor vehicle license in Uttar Pradesh. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, which includes holding a light motor vehicle license for at least 1 year. Gather all necessary documents like your address proof, age proof, and a medical certificate. Having these ready will streamline your application process significantly. Next, navigate to the official Parivahan website, which is the primary portal for transport-related services. You'll need to accurately fill out the online application form, providing all the requested personal and vehicle details. After completing the form, carefully upload scanned copies of your supporting documents as per the instructions on the portal. Once your application form and documents are submitted, proceed to pay the required application fee online. The portal offers various secure payment methods for your convenience. Following successful payment, you can then book a suitable slot for your driving test at your nearest regional transport office. Remember to print your acknowledgement receipt and the completed application form. After successfully booking your slot, attend the driving test at the regional transport office on your scheduled date. You'll need to demonstrate your proficiency in driving a heavy motor vehicle. Once you pass the practical test, your HMV license will be issued. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic investment for your feet. Good luck with your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.